In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can sell domain names on GoDaddy. So if there's a domain that you've bought and you want to sell it on GoDaddy, this is the perfect video for you because all you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your GoDaddy's product page and go to Domain Manager. Once you have gone to your domain manager here in the main portfolio section, you're going to find all your domains. And once you're here in your domains, you're simply going to go ahead, click on their management section. Now, I don't have a domain to show and to show you how to sell it. But it's pretty simple from here. Whatever registered domains you have, you go over to their DNS settings into their DNS management, which is basically going to look something like this. And what you're simply going to do from there is just go over to your domain name, and over there, it's going to give you an option to sell it. Okay. It's going to be really easy. You're going to, select the check boxes next to your domains to select them and get it listed by clicking on the action menu. That's going to be a three-dot menu on the right side of your domain. Set your price, publish your listing, and that is how easy it is to sell your domain name in GoDaddy. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.